tough. Dad tried to grab my ankle, keep my legs away. Now I'm gonna fake one way, run the other. Boom, all my weight on him. You can't be too nice with that. You really have to commit your weight to them. Keep your knees off the ground here. And now I'm stiff arming, following him wherever he goes until I make this exchange. 1, boom, 2, hold the collar. And then we're good. Make sense?
Drew, what was the thing you did to get his elbow up?
Say it again, I'm sorry.
You did something, you said boom and you got his elbow up, but what did you do?
The last step?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of the time his arm is going to be somewhere in this area. So when I bring my elbow through, I kind of like push his arm out of my way. It could be pushing my hip away, like this, in which case I'm kind of like taking the post off my hip. Or it could just be waiting to push my elbow up to the sky. And if he does that, it's very easy for him to escape. So I always keep the elbow really tight to my wrist until I can circle underneath. Sometimes you'll end up under his arm like this, in which case you just grab the collar like this. If I end up over the arm, I grab the collar from there. Make sense? Cool. All right, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, go. Good man, how are you?
Good, buddy.
Guys, as your partner does this, try to turn to face them a little bit. Try to stay facing them as the last